Hello everyone, this video is to provide you instructions to attend a meeting in Google Meet. First I will show you the instructions for those using PC and then for those using mobile. Before joining a meeting, make sure you are sitting in a pleasant environment and always use a headset so that your voice will be audible to all the participants without any noise. It is always better to choose a wall as your background so that the activities which are going in your room will not disturb the meeting. Let us look at the instructions in the meeting. Yeah, you may have received the Google Meet link through an email like this. This is the Google Meet link. Or you may have received the Google Meet link through Google Calendar like this. In this is the Google Meet link. Before joining the meeting, make sure you are joining the meeting using the same email ID which you have given during the registration of this meeting. If you want to change the email ID, you have to select switch account. Then you can select the email ID which you have registered for this meeting. Yeah, now I have selected the email ID which I have registered for this meeting. Now, before selecting join, make sure you have turned off your audio and video. This is the option to turn off your mic and this is the option to turn off your video. Now select ask to join. Then the organizer will admit you to the meeting. Now we will see the presentation of the presenter. This is the participant list. This is the organizer's presentation screen. This is the organizer's video. Organizer has turned off their video. So you are seeing only organizer's presentation. And if you have any doubt, you can post it in the chat box like this. If you want to interact with their presenter, then you can turn on your mic, and after asking the query, make sure you are turning off the mic again. This is the option for presenting your screen. You can present your screen if it is needed. Otherwise, make sure you are not presenting your screen because it will take over the presenter's screen. You can change the layout of the screen. Select change layout and you can select sidebar, where you can see both the presentation as well as presenter's video. During the meeting, if you have not turned off your video, then you may see my background may be not clear and my dress may be not proper. So to avoid all these things, make sure you are turning off your video. Now we will look into the instructions for participants using mobile. Now I am using my mobile to join the meeting. I go to my mail and click the meeting link. Then it will open the Google Meet app. Yeah, here you can join the meeting using the registered email ID, or else you can change the login ID at the bottom by using the option called switch. Before joining the meeting, turn off your mic and turn off your video. Now while joining the meeting, don't press the present button. Always select join meeting button. Once the organizer admits you into the meeting, you have joined the meeting. Now the organizer is presenting the screen. This is the option for chat. Here you can type your message. And this is list of participants. And always remember not to present your screen. If you have presented your screen using this option, your mobile screen is presented. So whatever operations you are doing on your mobile is visible to all the participants. So always keep in mind not to present your screen. And one more thing is, while leaving the meeting, make sure you have select the leave meeting button. Now I am selecting the leave meeting button. Yeah, now I have left the meeting. That's it with this video. Please follow all the instructions before attending a meeting in Google Meet. See you, take care, bye bye.